Igbo Ndioma, it has been a while, but today I have a story to share. So my son Chijoke went to a holiday activity with friends, and there he was wearing his Nigerian t-shirt. So one mixed boy approached him and asked him whether he had Nigerian parents. And Chichi told him, yes, my dad is from Nigeria. The boy himself looked dark-skinned, so Chijoke asked him, how about you? Are you also from Nigeria? The boy said yes, that his dad is Nigerian. Obviously, Chichi wanted to know where his dad was from. The boy couldn't even tell him the state. Chichi said, but which state is your dad from? The boy didn't know. Huh? Then Chichi was like, okay.
Does he speak Igbo?
The boy said yes. So at least he knows his dad is speaking Igbo. But can you imagine? He doesn't even know the state. If you go and ask Juan Yerugo now, huh? He will tell you his dad is from Isofia. Obonye Isofia. How can you not tell your children where you're from? How will they ever know? They have this part in their body. They have this blood. They have this culture. They have this tradition. It's part of their identity. And your son doesn't even know
Where you grew up?
I can understand it's difficult to buy ticket to take your kids there. Okay. Though it's not an excuse for me, but at least I understand. But if you don't manage to bring them there, at least tell them the name of your village. Tell them the name of your local government, or at least tell them the name of your state. It's really a pity. Eh? A grown boy that knows how to say his name, but he doesn't know where his father is from. And this is the father that is to blame, not the boy. It's not his fault. But if this father now travels to Nigeria and something should happen to him, the son wouldn't even know where to look for him. It's really heartbreaking. So please, if you have children abroad, try to bring them home. If you cannot bring them home, at least educate them. Tell them about where you grew up, how you grew up, what was the name of your time, what was the name of your school, the name of your teacher, the name of your friends. Tell them about it. Share this part of you with them so they have a fair chance, an equal chance. Because kids that are born and brought up here, they know where they are from. Kids that are born and brought up in Nigeria, they know where they are from. So these mixed kids, they have the same right. Let them know where they are from.